Who do the Jets play? They play Pittsburgh. And what are they famous for in Pittsburgh? A Pittsburgh salad. And guess what we're making today? Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, the Jets are playing the Pittsburgh Steelers, right? So we're making a Pittsburgh salad, right? And it's just a salad with french fries on top. Guys, we got some chicken, right? We got our lettuce, we got our tomatoes, right? Guys, I'm gonna cut all this up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, let me show you guys a little trick. You got this, right? I don't want to cut around it, but watch it. You just take it and smash it down. Watch this. Comes right out. Look at that. And guys, real quick, I'm just gonna slice these nice and thin. So it's like that. Nice size for a salad, right? I'm only doing half a bunch of lettuce. All right, guys, so we got a bowl, right? This is easy, guys. It's salads is easy to make, right? Put our lettuce in. Then I'm gonna put the carrots in, right? I think that's gonna be enough for today. You know what? I might as well put it on, right? And guys, instead of just taking everything, dumping it in and mix it, I just wanna get good distribution. So carrots first, right? Get that in there. Get it all mixed in so it's incorporated well. We'll go in next with the cucumbers. Get that nicely incorporated. We'll incorporate our bell peppers. That all nicely mixed. So the guys, the idea is that once somebody sticks their tongs in, they'll come out and they got lettuce, they got cucumbers, they got carrots, right? Now guys, I'm gonna follow package directions and I'm gonna cook these french fries up. I don't think I need to show you that, so I'll bring you back when the french fries are done. Guys, I almost forgot the cherry tomatoes, right? So I'm gonna just splice these and I'm gonna put these on the plate individually. So just slice them in half, then I'll put it in our plate individually. All right guys, so I got to hit record, but this is what our salad looks like, right? We got our lettuce, we got our tomatoes, we got our chicken, right? Our chicken. And now we just got to go down with some french fries. And this is what makes it a Pittsburgh salad. Now, I've actually been out to Pittsburgh and I've had a sandwich, with french fries on it. And that was good. Didn't know about this though. But so, this is a Pittsburgh salad, guys. I don't know. Should I put the dressing and then mix everything up with the french fries on top? Should I take the french fries off, then mix the dressing? I don't know, but I think I'm gonna mix it. Somebody from Pittsburgh gotta let me know. Because I'm not gonna put it directly on top, so I'm just gonna start to mix it. Mix my lettuce in. I'm not gonna put the french fries right in it, right? Oopsie. Alright guys, I don't know. This is the way it came out. Alright, so let's go in. I got some french fries. I got some lettuce, I got some meat. Let's give this a try. Guys, this works. This works. You have the crispy of the french fries with the softness on the inside of the french fry. With the cool lettuce and some meat. Mmm. Guys, this works. This works. Guys, please like and subscribe. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.